Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create and verify a Coinbase account instantly. Alright, let's begin. Start by opening your browser and searching for Coinbase. Open the official site and tap Sign Up. Enter your email address, continue, and then enter the verification code sent to your inbox. After that, create a strong password and move forward. Now type your first and last name exactly as shown on your ID to avoid any verification issues. Enter your mobile number and verify it using the code sent to your phone. Once your account is created, switch to your phone for identity verification, since you will need the camera. On the verification screen, confirm the required details and continue. Select your citizenship, then enter your city of birth and your country. Continue through the prompts until you reach the ID selection. Choose a valid, unexpired ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID. Follow the instructions to capture clear photos of your document and take a selfie if required. Submit everything and wait for confirmation. Verification usually completes within minutes. So, that's basically how you can create and verify a Coinbase account instantly. That's it for this video. Thanks.